Hi everyone, good morning, welcome back. Today I'm doing what I eat in a week. My name is Susie and for some context I'm a vegetarian but I eat vegan most of the time, as you'll see in this video, but I'm trying to transition into becoming fully vegan, so I thought this would be interesting to see what I eat this week. I would love to do more food videos, so let me know in the comments if you enjoy this style video and maybe I'll do some others. Also check out the description for links and details and follow me on my social media and please subscribe if you like this video. For breakfast I had overnight oats with oat milk, oats, chia seeds, flax seeds, some frozen berries, cinnamon, and I put in a plum as well. To be honest, it wasn't even that good. I think I just need to perfect overnight oats, but I had that for breakfast with a green tea and then went to the gym this morning for a yoga class and came out and had a nice protein bar, one of the Trek ones. Every Monday at uni there's a food stall, so I picked up some vegan mac and cheese for lunch, which I'm still eating right now, with crispy onions and kale. Very yum, and it came with a brownie in a meal deal, so I had that as well. Then tonight my boyfriend and I are going to cook tofu for dinner. Don't really like tofu, so we'll see how it goes. I'm too tired for anything complicated, so I'm just going to whip up loads of veg and some corn. That's just kind of what I'm in the mood for. This week I had cinnamon and raisin bagels in, so I thought I'd just have them for breakfast this morning, and I had a green tea, which I have pretty much every morning. Today I was in the studio all day, so I packed in some food. I've got a hummus veg bagel, some olives and a plum. Then in the evening I went to a gallery exhibition where the venue sold food, and as I ate so late throughout the day today, I really wasn't that hungry for dinner, so I ended up just having a sausage roll and a cheeky cider as well. Wednesday morning for breakfast I had a big bowl of porridge to keep me going. I put in frozen fruit and loads of cacao powder, as I really like how chocolatey it can get, and I put loads of banana and seeds on top as well. On Wednesday I was in all morning, so I had a big lunch. I just fried a bunch of veggies together and popped in some noodles as well. And then later that day I went to the gym and had a post-gym snack of this vegan biscuit. And then I went to the pub with some friends where we all got some food. Again, not a nutritious dinner at all. I ended up just having this protein smoothie and this bowl of like Rocky Road waffle thing that definitely was not vegan. On Thursday morning I made a smoothie for my boyfriend and I for breakfast, as I was going to the gym, so I wanted something quite light. As I had an early start today with going to the gym, I didn't have time to meal prep, so I just picked up this sandwich and crisps. This evening I wanted to have rice with veggies, but I forgot to pick up rice, so we're gonna have a packet of noodles. Then on Friday I was in uni really early, so I just packed some fruit for breakfast, which I ate in the studios. So I had a couple kiwis, and then I had lunch pretty soon after, and I had a hummus and veg sandwich again with a pear as well. On Friday I went to my friend's uni for the weekend, so we went out for Wagamama's for dinner, and I got a juice and this vegan dish, no idea what it's called, but had some seitan, foam meat and loads of rice. It was really delish. That is everything that I ate this week. Thank you so much for watching, and follow me on my social media and subscribe.